guys, it's Nat and today I'm going to be doing my bedroom tour. So my room has changed a lot, especially this year because I decluttered a lot. I condensed my book collection from 3 big bookshelves, so I had 2 normal ones and then 1 narrow one to just 1, and now I'm like really happy with my room because it's like for the first time ever I feel like I don't have a lot to clean, and I don't know, whenever I come in here it's just very relaxing, which is what a bedroom should be. So yeah, I'll leave a link to anything that I can find down below, but if you guys are wondering like about specific items, where they're from, definitely tell me in the comments below and I'll tell you where I got them from if I can remember. Also, all my furniture is from IKEA, but I think I mentioned that in the room tour, so I hope you guys enjoy, and let's just get on into the room tour. So I'll start the room tour at the door. So I just have 2 hooks. I keep my bags and my jumper on there, and then when you like open the door, this is the first thing you see. So it's a little mirror so I can check my outfit before I go. I have a BTS wall calendar, which I love. It's my favorite calendar ever. Then I keep an umbrella, slippers. I took them off because they'll just make too much noise. And then above the mirror, we've got like a shelf with a plant. Then here we have this little fireplace that used to be in the living room, but my mum put it into my room. And then next to the mirror, we have my little dresser from IKEA, of course. So on my dresser, I keep a mirror that I actually put it there, and then I do my makeup and hair. And then this is what's above the desk dresser area. So we have a BTS poster, Baekhyun, these little postcards that I got from Inspire Me Korea, this poster that I got from Basically Brit, this postcard from Red Velvet album, 80s poster, Astro, and Pentagon's Gino. So the rest of the stuff on my vanity, behind my mirror, I have sunglasses and my keys. And then here we have a framed BTS poster that's no longer available. And then I have my diploma from university because I did graduate. And then all the plants, this is fake, this is real, are from IKEA as well. I usually keep my phone here, as you can see, more BTS. And then in my dresser, nothing interesting. The last 2 are clothing. I'm not going to show you because that's boring. But in this one, I keep journaling supplies, jewellery in these boxes, photo cards, hand sanitizer, incense sticks, iPad, Kindle, vitamins, and then some stuff that I put into my bag, but I take stuff out of my bags when I'm not using them. And then onto my little desk area, I have my iMac, and then I have pens here, Celestine Crystal, Amethyst, BTS Standee, this CD I think, reader that you connect to your MacBook, and then a external hard drive, and then I have Coco Mademoiselle Chanel perfume that I got for my birthday. Here I just keep like random stuff, as you can see, receipts, pens, cables, journals, stuff like that. And then next to my desk area, the last thing on this wall is my bookshelf. I only have 1 left and I really like how it looks right now. And then I forgot to show you this, but here I have some more postcards from like K-pop albums. So that's Stray Kids, Wavy, NCT, Astro, BTS. And then here we have my big window. So I have like these blinds that you pull down. I have like a dream catcher, and then I have my radiator. And then this is all the stuff I have on my windowsill. Can't keep too much stuff because my cat's like sitting on here. And then I also have this like lint roller from Muji. Now onto this side, so we have my wardrobe again from IKEA. And then on the side here I had some space, so I keep my tripod like cover, and then 2 yoga mats. And then my wardrobe's nothing special. These 2 doors have more like clothing, coats, shoes. And then here I actually don't have any clothing. I have like bags and towels there, a additional stuff, some journaling stuff and cables, beauty stuff. That's where I keep my makeup and my glasses, workout stuff, my weighting scale, and then that's just a mess. I put any junk in there that I have. And now onto my bed. So my bed is the only piece of furniture that's not from IKEA. I got it on eBay, but it's no longer available. As you can see, I have a beautiful van. He's the OG. I found him on eBay. Very good purchase. And then yeah, my wall is quite blank on here, but I keep my wall CD player, these framed art prints of characters from the Grishaverse. And then I use this little cubicle as a bedside table. So I keep body lotion, hand sanitizer, face mist, and lip balm. And then my remote for my wall CD, a rose crystal, and my salt lamp. And then I have my from Muji CD folder, more journals. This is the journal that I use for my K-pop stuff, because if you didn't know, I do have a K-pop journal Instagram page. And then I have bookmarks, foot cream, and I think that's it. And then under my bed I keep my Hunter box, which keeps all my important documents, and then cat beds, more beauty products, and my printer. So yeah, that is it for my room tour. As you can see, it's quite like normal, but I really like it. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.